back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can become a billionaire. So these are my containers that I'm gonna be using. I'm also gonna be using this spatulas. If you are making lip glosses for a very big company, or you're producing them in high quantities, so you're gonna need definitely a bigger one. And this is the lip gloss base that I'm gonna be using, and these are the pigments that I'm gonna be using to add that color. And these are my oils that I'm gonna be using. This is a sweet almond oil, this is coconut oil, this is jojoba oil, and this is olive oil. So of all this oil that I'm gonna be using, I just want to make it a point and emphasize that these are the best oils because they really moisturizes the skin and they have so much benefits to the skin. I don't know if you guys know about, like there are those lip glosses that when you apply to your lips they are super glossy but your lips still feel dry. That's because I don't think people are putting the right oils on the lip glosses, because oils also have like the moisturizing effect to the skin. So we're gonna start. I'm not gonna be using any kind of measurements because the type of pigment that you want is definitely gonna depend on, the type of lip tint and lip base that you put is gonna definitely depend on how much pigment you want in your lip gloss, right? So the next step is to use oils. I'm gonna put the sweet almond oil. So I'm using this measuring spoon so that I know the range. So this is how much I'm gonna put. So this spoon is basically just to give me the range or the estimation of the amount of oil that I want to put in, so that next time when I want to change the formula, I know whether I should go up or go high. So I also want to emphasize that if you are allergic to any type of oil, you don't have to use them. So I'm basically just picking the oils that I know that they are good for the skin and they can moisturize your skin and make your lips to feel so smooth. So this is the olive oil that I'm putting now. I don't know if you guys have been seeing what I'm doing literally. So this is the olive oil. So after I've put all my oils, I'm gonna go ahead with the spatula and mix everything. I feel like I like coconut oil. I'm just gonna put a bit of extra. So basically guys, this is your lip gloss. If you are making a clear lip gloss, this is where you're gonna stop. So guys, this is a small peppermint thingy. This is a peppermint oil. So most people don't like peppermint in their lip glosses, but I think I do like, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of peppermint, just a little bit, not a lot. Peppermint really feels so good in the lips, so that is why I decided to put it. So now it's the most important part of the step where you're gonna determine the color. So I'm gonna be using my color pigments. So this is the color pigment that I'm using. I'm using a brown. Honestly, I don't think the color pigments are important when it comes to like nutrition and moisturizing the skin. I feel like the most important thing are your oils. So if you're going for flavors, you can go ahead and use orange flavors. There are different types of oil, literally there are oils for everything, so you can use those oils. But when it comes to the pigment, So I'm just gonna put 2 drops and see how the color is gonna play like. So this is how the color looks like. I'm gonna work with that. This is actually a perfect brown, but if you want to go ahead and put more, you can actually do that. It's gonna literally depend on the shade that you're going for. So this is my brown lip gloss, and this is how it looks like. It's super brown, guys, like really brown. So I'm just gonna, let me see. This is how it looks like. This is how it applies to the skin. Wow, it's so moisturizing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this is what you're gonna be using to fill in your, so you're gonna pull your lip gloss. I think this is enough. So this is how your lip gloss looks like. So you're gonna use this thing, close, and look, it even looks brand new, guys. And you're gonna put this thing, and we have a lip gloss. So I think I'm gonna fill other stuffs, and I think I made a lot of it, guys. I think I should start selling lip glosses. So I think when you pull in the lip gloss, you wanna dip it inside so that you don't have bubbles, a lot of bubbles inside. So yeah, we're not in a factory, so there's nothing which is gonna compress to remove bubbles here. Oh God. So guys, I've done my lip glosses and they're here. I'm gonna show you guys, but for now I just want to show you guys the mess that's in here. I'm just gonna mix everything in and to see what color am I gonna get. It's so messy, guys. This can be me. Look at this one. I actually want to try the lip glosses that I made with you guys, so I'm just gonna apply my lip liner and then we can get into try the lip glosses. So I applied my lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the lip glosses. Let me show you guys the lip glosses first. I'm so excited. So these are the lip glosses that I made, guys. I made these 2 colors. Yeah, so these are the colors that I made, guys. The quality of these lip glosses, I packaged them into this container. I also have these traveling containers, guys. Look, they look so brand new, super brand new, no sign of being used or anything, guys. You have no idea. So this is the first color, and I just feel like for a lip gloss, this is literally the perfect color, like the perfect pigmentation. Mind you, this is not a lipstick, so yeah, I feel like this is the perfect, this is very, very good pigment, guys. This is me, literally. This is what I wear on a daily basis, and it's so moisturizing, guys. I'm actually thinking of selling lip glosses. I don't want to take it off. Why did I put it first? So I'm just going to take it off and show you guys other colors that I've made. So the other color that I've made is orange, and you guys know exactly how I feel about orange. It's not really my favorite color. Look at how soft my lips are, guys. Literally, I don't want to lie to anyone. So I'm just gonna open it just to show you guys that they look so brand new, guys. Like there is no any sign of like they've been used before or anything like that. So this is definitely not my favorite color, and I don't even have like a lip liner for this orange one. I was just doing it because I happen to have the pigment and I just wanted to experiment with colors. So this is how it looks like. I feel like it would literally do better if I had a lip liner for it. Oh guys, there are a few reasons why I wanted to make my own lip gloss. Like I feel like people, when it comes to lip gloss, a lot of companies are getting it wrong, you know, but I mean, for me, I know exactly what I'm looking for when I want a lip gloss. I want a lip gloss that has an effect. It can be a tingling effect, a sweet effect, a breeze effect, a cooling effect. It should have an effect, guys. I feel like some lip glosses are just plain no effect or whatsoever. I feel like a lip gloss should be pigmented. Some lip glosses are colorful but not pigmented. If I'm gonna buy a colorful pigmented lip gloss and it's not pigmented, what's the use? I can literally buy a clear gloss, right? It should be pigmented, even if the pigment is not so huge, but there should be a pigment. And the other one is it should be moisturizing to the skin, it should be smoothing to the skin, it should have like a nice effect to the skin. And the other reason is it should be of like the right composition, no, the right formula. It has to be the right formula. Obviously you have to play with your ingredients and find the perfect formula for your lip gloss. Anyway guys, comment down below, do you think I should start selling lip glosses? Because look at this. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, guys.